In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer data from iPhone to Samsung Galaxy A16. Go in Samsung folder, open the Smart Switch in Samsung Galaxy A16. Open the App Store in iPhone. Install this application. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Tap on Let's Go. On the Samsung Galaxy A16, tap on Receive on this phone. I will simply select iPhone. From here, I will simply select Transfer wirelessly in both devices. Simply scan the phone. Tap on Join. Now select the data you want to transfer. I want to transfer only images, so I will simply tap on Transfer. As you can see, images is transferred from my iPhone to Samsung Galaxy A16. So this is how you can transfer data from iPhone to Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.